My name is Ramona Adam-Heinrich. I work at Liebherr in Telfs in Austria for the Earthmoving division. The focus always was on hardware, and management and configuration of hardware. And now, times are a bit changing and more software becomes important, and also the management and configuration of software. For Liebherr machines, heavy duties are a daily business, but also the pressure is increasing in time and costs, and therefore the machines have to work even smarter. And there is the big opportunity of software to make the machines working smarter. We had a universal software so far for all our machines of our product line, and all the functionalities were packed into one universal software. And all the data of big dosers and small dosers were on both machines available then. And so this is a big amount of data which isn't used on a specific machine. And so we will go for it to modularize our software and to extract data to be able to specify it before it is loaded to the machine, so that big dosers only get the data which they need and the little dosers as well. And a main thing is to even link the software components to the hardware components, because we have to get an overall machine with hardware and software, and we want to make sure that the parts are compatible and the downstream departments don't have to care about it, because we in our development processes make sure that the compatibility is ensured. The processes we aim will lead to a shortened time to market as well, at least for the products we prioritize. Because from our point of view, you cannot have everything at once, and quality is always first for our machines. We have started to build up a product lifecycle management process with Windchill many years ago, I think 10 to 15 years ago. We are managing our bills of materials of hardware components in Windchill. And there we already had introduced selection rules as well, option sets, where we are able to manage our hardware components and configurations very well, and we are very confident with this solution. And additionally, we have well-established change management process, which is managed in Windchill for hardware components. We plan to manage our software data in Codebeamer. The software and the parameters and the values should be set in Codebeamer directly and then linked to the option sets we have in Windchill, because the option sets are defined on the top level for our products and define which options are available and which variants are related to it. And those option sets will then be imported to Codebeamer, and our software data will be linked to this common base for the whole product. And we will feedback the information as soon as the requested software change is done. And so we will have there a linkage as well to do the development and the change management for both domains. We did a market analysis initially to find out which tool could be the right one to manage our software data. Codebeamer is not specifically created for managing the software and parameter. We will do it. But it was a quite good base and quite flexible to adapt it to our use cases. And therefore, this was an argument to use Codebeamer, but also, of course, the good linkages to Windchill. Because we have to break down the silos and combine our hardware and software development. And therefore, it's a big advantage to have those tools in the same ecosystem, which are linked out of the box, and where we can link our development tasks, change tasks, to have this overall picture and to ensure the quality for the whole product, for the whole configuration. And reliability is a big point for us too, to ensure the machine safety, to ensure cybersecurity, and to rely on our data concerning the use cases we have. I think it's a good thing that we have this Windchill for PLM, and then we'll have soon Codebeamer for software and parameter management, because then the experts can work in their system and don't have to feed their data into other systems to keep the others up to date, because the linkage is done automatically. PTC helps with different tools which are used in the different silos, which are connected, and the experts can take care of their part of the work and the connection is done automatically. This is very important to have an overall result at the end at the same time, and which is compatible and working out on the machine. And this is even important for the customer then, because sometimes we have this hardware components and the software components coming together in the production and always seems to be okay. And there is the risk that it is not compatible in a way it should be. The PTC tools which are linked and break down silos are a very good help for this topic. Breaking down the silos will lead to a more reliable database for the overall machine. And this is where the customers benefit as well, to have this quality even more on point for our products and for the machines than in the duties. The past shows that requirements and challenges are increasing and increasing, and the PTC products is evolving as well. And so we are kind of in a journey together. So the challenges on our side increase, and there are always new PTC tools and new functionalities in the PTC tools, which are very matching to our challenges we have on our side. I think the future is bright, and this partnership could last for many more years.